Hello everyone. Today we are preparing Chinese sticky rice, also known as Lo Mai Kai. It's so easy to make, I'm sure you will love it. Here are the ingredients. Take a screenshot so that it will be easier for you to refer to them later on. For this recipe, here are the ingredients you will need to prepare. Chop 3 red chilies. Chop an entire scallion. Cut 1 chicken breast into cubes. Soak 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp for 30 minutes. Dice 5 cloves of garlic and 3 tablespoons of raw peanuts. Slice 4 Chinese sausages. Slice approximately 10 to 15 shiitake mushroom, depending on your preference, and dice 1 big red onion. Finally, set aside 4 cups of glutinous rice that is soaked for at least 4 hours. For the seasoning mixture, get a small cup and mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give the sauce a good mix. And then add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar into the mixture. You may use regular sugar as well, depending on what you have available at home. Half a teaspoon of salt, and finally 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Give the sauce a good mix. That is all for preparing the ingredients. Now let's cook. Fry the peanuts until it is brownish. Make sure the oil is heated enough. Once it has turned into this color, remove it and set them aside to cool. Next, fry the onions. Once it's golden brown, it is ready to be removed from the heat and set them aside. This is how the peanuts and onions should look like. Now grab a bigger pan and pour some oil into it. When the oil is well heated, add in the Chinese sausage and stir fry them until it is crispy. Use medium to low fire to avoid burning the sausage. Once it's done, set it aside. Next, we are stir frying the chicken. Stir fry until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Once it's cooked, add in the garlic. Once the garlic has turned brown, you can add the shiitake mushroom and dried shrimp. Mix it well for about a minute and let it cook. Add the Chinese sausage into the pan and stir fry for another minute. Now add the glutinous rice that was pre-soaked and drained. Mix them well. After that, add in the sauce mixture and mix the entire pan well until all the ingredients are coated with the sauce. This is how it should look like before you move the entire dish into the rice cooker to be cooked. Once you have moved the dish into the rice cooker pot, add 4 cups of water. Once you have added the cups of water, let it cook in the rice cooker. I'm using the Khind Anshin rice cooker. It has a stainless steel inner pot to prevent the rice from sticking, and it's much safer to use for my family. If you would like to check this out, I have linked this product in the description below. This is how it looks once the dish is ready. It smells amazing. If only I could show you how it smells. Add in the garnishes. As you can see, the garnishes make the dish look much more colorful and look very appetizing. Put it in a bowl and serve. Remember to not consume too big a portion because glutinous rice expand in your tummy. Thank you all for watching. Do try this simple recipe out and share the results in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipe content. Till next time, bye bye.